Happy early 4th of July, everyone. Look what I got. These are some poppers right here. They're little fireworks. Now, ow, I just stepped on a rock because I'm barefoot out here. But, that's not the point. The point is I got these little snappers and I'm going to throw all of them down at once. Not all at once, I'm just kidding. I'm going to throw a few of them down, unless I drop them. My parents just attacked me with snappers, by the way. So here goes the first one. God, I can't get it. Hold on. Oh, that's ratchet. I'm sorry, but it is. Watch this. All at once. In 3, 2. Where did that other one go? Alright, here's another one right here. You're serious, right? Is this a dud? This is a dud! This one won't blow. I've seen these before on pranks on YouTube too. I'm gonna go get a few more. Okay guys, I got a few more. Round 2. Here we go. Final round. We're gonna walk around to the other side of the house and set these off. If you spray me with that.
I didn't plan to.
You always do.
Thinking about it.
You always do though.
No.
Yes, you do.
No.
Alright, we're gonna set these off right here. Set these off right here on the sidewalk. Right here. Final round. Hey, Debster. About to set off 4 more. There we go. Happy 4th of July. Happy early 4th of July. Okay. Let's just go back and get... Now, I'm going to tell you guys a story while I do the last round. A short story. So guys, this is the story right here. Story is... I'm going to take this whole bag actually. Ooh, that could have been so bad. Just blow out this whole bag. So, the story is, on New Year's Eve, 2019, me and some friends at Lukey's house were messing around with poppers at the end of the night, around midnight, 12:30 midnight, half till 1, something like that, and we were ambushing them with water galaxy and everything, as known as Sean, and we were throwing them, and then at the very last second, before the video ends, before like I don't even remember how long the video was, but it was called Countdown to 2020, and at the very end of the video, I throw these. I don't remember how many. I think I threw like 5 or 6, maybe 7, at Water Galaxy's back, and it was literally so funny, just because he went, yeah, and he was dying, and then you could hear him dying as he walked to the door going, you know that sound he makes, like that. Yeah, like that. Makes it the back of his throat. And now it's just bringing back flashback memories. But, without further ado, let's set these last few off, and we'll call it a night. Was one of them a dud? Was this one a dud? Let's see. There we go, I got that one. Yeah, I got a dud. So, let's go get the last few packages. Alright, final round. Shoot! I just got gunpowder all over the table. Alright. Dot. Okay. Let's try not to have one of these go off in my hand because it's gonna sting like a son of a bee if it does. And like I said earlier, I already got ambushed by my parents by getting them thrown at me, and it hurt. It stung. I'm not saying it really bad hurt. It just stung a little bit. Alright, these are the last few. Don't mind the yellow spots on my hand. That's just mustard from dinner. Alright, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching this little firecracker video. If you guys want more firework videos in the future, smash the like button, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one later. Love you all, peace, and bye!